Hello everyone, welcome to Devops tutorials. Let's move ahead and to the demo of VPC creation. So you need to log into your AWS and after that you need to go to services. From services you need to select VPC. After going to the VPC you need to uh, create VPC. Now here create VPC, we will give the name. You can give any name. I'm giving AWS tutorial, then VPC. Okay, so this is the name of or the tag I have assigned to the my VPC. Now we will give the IP block /16. So let's check how many hosts or IP address it can generate, which is already here. So we can see 65536 hosts can be created using this CIDR range. We will use the default one. Let's create. The VPC is created with the name AWS tutorial VPC. VPC ID is also auto assigned, and here we see our IPv4 CIDR range, and it has automatically assigned the DHCP, that is domain host control protocol, and also it has created a route table and assigned to the default route table. It was not there. It will create, once you create a VPC, it will create a default route table. So here we can, in the CIDR blocks, we can see our CIDR range. This is how the VPC is created. So simple, that's it.